Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage reminder for a patient. Reminders are simple in SystmOne, but yet very important. Reminders can be used very flexibly. For example, you want to alert others that a patient has an aggressive behavior. Another example can be adding a key code to access a patient's home. To add a reminder, right-click on the reminder node on your clinical tree. Alternatively, you could click this button along the top. You will see a separate window asking to select the priority of the reminder. A low priority reminder, meaning the reminder that you're adding can only be seen by yourself. A normal priority reminder means the reminder will be seen by everyone in your organization. And a high priority reminder will show to all users and any organization if the patient has consented to share their data with. Next, you can also set an optional expiry date, meaning the reminder that you're adding will disappear after this date. Finally, you can free text the reminder in the text box below. Click OK to confirm. Once a reminder is added, you will then be able to see it on the reminder node. You can easily cancel it if necessary by right-clicking on the reminder and select Cancel. In addition, you could also see it on the patient home screen. If you can't see it, please speak to your system administrator for configuration. Lastly, all active reminders are also shown when making an appointment for a patient, which is a very useful screen to show you essential information. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. For hints and tips, follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips.